everybody. Are you ready? Yeah!
Crimes are committed by youth of India, youths of a society. So quoting this report, Guru Maharaji said, Ashutosh Maharaji said, that something revolutionary needs to be done to reverse such a vicious, such a degrading conduct of youths of society, and especially the teenagers who are lying between 13 to 18 years age bracket. We need to discover something altogether new, a new development package for these blossoming units of society.
बेनिफिट्स बहुत जरूरी है. टोन्स एंड रिजनरेट्स द ब्रेन सेल्स. आपके ब्रेन सेल्स को एनर्जाइज करेगा. इट रिलैक्सेस यू. थक जाते हो ना टीवी के आगे बैठे बैठे, वो सीरियल्स तुम्हारे कार्टून नेटवर्क.
Suffer with problems like lack of communication skills, parental pressure, improper food habits, laziness, lack of concentration, restless mind, exam anxiety, getting into drugs, mood swings, no time management, and all of you are like golden Buddhas. You have a shining, bright, golden self.
But brothers and sisters, I must tell you, as you wear a dress on your body, so you wear a language on your body. आप कैसे walk कर रहे हैं, the way you carry yourself, the way you move, the way you talk, this all really counts and leaves an impression on the other person. And this is what is known as communication skills.
We're all different, and there are many different feelings we can experience at different times. Some are more well known than others, such as excitement or anger, but some can be harder to understand, like anxiety, and they have a habit of piling up without us noticing.
पढ़ाई में ध्यान लगता है.
Now, why do we fail this fitness test? The question is basically what we eat and how we eat. I'll tell you the logic behind. What happens is your body has salts, okay? You agree with me? Body में salts हैं. और जब हमारे पेट में ये पेप्सी या ऐसी एरिएटेड ड्रिंक्स जाती हैं, and even if we add a pinch of salt to it, what happens? The acid level grows to such an extent कि हमारे अंदर का जो एक
The 18 steps involved in solving the fraction of 1 by 19. इतना बड़ा प्रोसेस है जिससे आप 1 by 19 को सॉल्व करते हैं और ये 18 डिजिट आंसर आपको मिलता है. लेकिन अब हम अगर वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स का जो फर्स्ट सूत्र है, दैट इज एकाधिकेन पूर्वेन, if we apply this sutra to find out the fraction of 1 by 19, we can solve this very problem in just one line.
You can stand against all the wrongs and do right. Are you daring? Yes. You have an irresistible urge to act. You want to do something. Yes. Yes. You have enthusiasm to understand things. Yes or no? Yes. And you have energy to work. Yes? A spirit to move ahead in your life.
Working together for a common goal. Yeah, teamwork. All for one and one for all. You were gonna make it happen.
I have two sets of news for you. A good one and a bad one. Which one do you want to hear first? The good one or the bad one? The bad one. Okay, let's leave the good one for later. The bad news is that time flies. But the good news is that you are the
क्या प्रॉब्लम है? डिप्रेशन. डिप्रेशन क्यों है? बिकॉज वी हैव क्रिएटेड सो मच प्रॉब्लम इन अवर ओन लाइफ. हमने खुद स्ट्रेस और डिप्रेशन को इन्विटेशन दिया है. And thus we go through a troublesome phase. We start comparing ourselves with our friends. Though we have a lot of potential.
Into the beatific inner world. Meditation is in reality the perception of your divine reality, the face-to-face encounter with your real self. It is seeking within.
tell you what to do and what to do, but here they are telling how to inculcate in yourself and how to practice it daily, so it's just uniqueness about it. It's best.
Inspiring us to adopt Indian culture, because we are totally towards modernization and we are blindly following Western culture. So to be more successful, and we have learned today Vedic maths, which is much more easy and more simple than today's maths, and we can solve the problems very easily by this.
Inspiring and very motivating, and I feel like I'm very enthusiastic after it.
हर वादी में हर पर्वत में सदा दी हम जीतेंगे हम जीतेंगे हम जीतेंगे हर बार।